Have you ever wondered what asteroids are and where they come from? Well, these small, rocky objects that orbit the sun are fascinating remnants from an era long past, providing us with precious clues about the early formation of our solar system. Approximately 4.6 billion years ago, a massive cloud of gas and dust collapsed under its own gravity. Most of this material coalesced to form the sun, while the rest began to condense into dust and eventually planets. However, not all objects had the opportunity to become planets. Those located in what we now know as the main asteroid belt, lying between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, remained as asteroids. Interestingly, while these asteroids are in the same orbital path as planets, they're significantly smaller. Some of these rocky bodies share the same path around the Sun as Earth and a few other planets, thus becoming what we refer to as co-orbital asteroids. Asteroids are as diverse as they are numerous. Contrary to popular belief, they aren't all round like planets. In fact, many have jagged and irregular shapes. Their sizes vary drastically too. While some are hundreds of miles in diameter, others are no bigger than a pebble. The composition of asteroids is another intriguing aspect. Most are made of various kinds of rocks, but others contain clays and even metals like nickel and iron. These compositions offer a fascinating glimpse into the materials that were present in the early solar system. How do we know all this about asteroids, you might ask? Well, scientists study them through various means. One way is by examining meteorites, tiny bits of asteroids that have fallen to Earth. Space missions also play a crucial role in asteroid research. For example, missions such as Near Shoemaker, Dawn, and Osiris Rex have provided us with valuable information about these ancient remnants. Take Osiris Rex, for instance. This mission recently collected a sample from the asteroid Bennu and is now on its way back to Earth. The sample container is expected to land in the Utah desert in September 2023, marking yet another milestone in our understanding of asteroids. In conclusion, asteroids are more than just small, rocky objects in space. They are ancient relics from the early solar system, offering us a window into the past. They come in various shapes, sizes, and compositions, and are located in different parts of the solar system. Our understanding of these fascinating objects continues to grow, thanks to the study of meteorites and space missions. As we look forward to the return of Osiris Rex and the revelations its sample may bring, one thing is clear. Asteroids have a lot more to tell us about our cosmic neighborhood. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that each tiny point of light could be an asteroid, silently orbiting the sun, carrying with it the secrets of our solar system's past.